Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, we're gonna learn how to make ball movement using JavaScript as you see in the screen. So in order to do that, we have to create a new project, which I'm gonna do right now. Now I've created ball bouncing dash YouTube project on VS Code, and here we are creating our basic elements, which are index HTML, style.css CSS in order to give some styling to my ball and to my table, and my app.js in order to create our ball movement inside the browser. Okay, I'm coming to my index.html. I put the exclamation mark, I press tab, and I create this HTML file. I'm linking my my CSS file, link css dot slash. I'm linking here my app.js file like that. Okay, that's nice. And now I'm creating here my main div, which will be the board for ball bouncing inside. I'm creating my ball div, and that's all for HTML. Let's move to style.css and do some styling here. I'm coming to style.css file. I'm doing my asterisk margin to general items, removing the padding and the margin for all the items inside the browser. I'm doing the bulk sizing. I say border box, that's good. I'm coming to my body. I say background will be black. Okay, I want to just open side by side in order to compare my browser here and my code here. I want to close this tab. Okay. I put my VS Code and my browser side by side here. Okay. And now I'm styling my CSS. I say .main. I'm getting main class, which is my div. And I say position absolute in order to position it at the desired position that we want. I say top 50%. I say left 50%. We give transform translate -50 to -50, -50%, comma -50%, and we give the width 50 view width, and we give the height 90 view height. Okay, we're giving also some border to the table, border 2 pixels, solid white. Okay, white. We press save. Our div will be like this. That's nice. Let's style the ball. I get ball class, my div, inside my HTML file. I say again, position absolute. I say height 30 pixels. And then I say width again 30 pixels, 30 to 30. I give background of white. White. Okay, it sticks on the top. I say left 50%. I say right top 50%. Okay. But I don't want this to be square. In order to make it round, we say border radius 50%. We are giving some nice round shape to our div. Okay, this is our wall. This is our game board. That's great. Nothing else here to see in style.css file. And I'm coming to my app.js file and I'm doing my coding here. I'm gonna get main, which is my game board. I say document that. I'm gonna give some more space here. Okay. Query selector, give main. I'm copying it. I'm gonna do the same for ball. You say here ball. It says you cannot name it twice because I've already give the constraint to name div, but we are changing here everything. Visual Code is warning us. Okay, I'm getting some random stuff here. I say left right equals to math dot floor math dot random. We're gonna multiply it to 2, which is gonna be 0 and 1. And here I'm gonna say right equals to left right. If it's true, I put the question mark. If it's true, I say right is true. Our ball will move to right side. But if it's false, it's gonna move to left side. Okay. We're giving also the same for up and left, up and down, excuse me. Say up down. Say up. Up down. That's good. And let's create here our ball move. Ball move. Oops. Not separate, but same. Set interval. We're going to use interval, not remove our ball. We do arrow function here. Give 1 millisecond for the refresh rate. We get ball bounce equal to ball get bounding client ranked in order to measure if the bounce, the border of the ball hitting the border of our game ground. Also, I'm going to get board bounce equal to main dot get client ranked, also getting our game grounds borders here, and ball bounce left, ball bounce left. Say parse int. We're getting ball bounce dot left. The main reason I put parse int, I'm separating the numeric part with pixels, with the letter, because if I don't put parse int, and when we say only ball bounce dot left, we're gonna get 30 pixels, for example. But if I put parse int ball bounce dot left, I'm gonna get only the numeric side. I'm gonna get only the 30 and not the pixel. I'm separating with this. And then I'm getting here, I'm gonna copy it several times. Okay, here I'm copying it once again, ball right. I'm putting right, okay, ball bounce, top, okay, top. Obviously we're gonna get the top. You see, when I put here the dot, everything is coming, the property is coming automatically. Suggestion, property suggestions. And we're getting also board bottom. Let's see what is the property suggestion for ball bounce. Do we have bottom? Yeah, we have. That's all for border. Now I'm gonna get the value for ball top in order to move it inside the window. Okay, ball top equals to math.floor. Then we get again parse int. We say window inside our browser, and again get computed style, which is our ball. And then we say get value property value of top. This is gonna be string value. The first is our control, and the second is the string value, which is which value of our control we want to get. We're getting ball control, and then we're getting left value. You see here ball left. Okay, that's all. And now we're gonna do some statements. If else statement. Okay, follow me. We say if right is true, and up. If up statement is also true, those two statements are true, then we say ball dot style dot top equals ball top. Okay, did we get here the velocity value? Okay, we're gonna also get some velocity here. We put some velocity in order to move our ball with which ratio we say here. We say with the velocity will be 3 for our ball movement. We say ball top. If it's up, the value must be minus, because when we go to the top section of the game board, our value is getting less. It's going from positive value to minus value. Okay, and when I'm moving up, I'm copying this. I say also for the left part, and here if it's right, okay, our value will be increasing, because when we give to the left side plus values, then you are getting far away from the left side of the game board. If we're giving minus values, you are getting closer to the left side of the game board. Okay, the first statement is finished. Let's see for the second statement. This will be quicker. I say if it's not right, but it's up, then we are increasing, decreasing only. Okay, this will not be left, top will be left. We are decreasing our left value, because now it's not moving to the right side, it's moving to the left side. Okay, so let's put one more. And see if we have to use else if for the statements. Okay, I'm leaving this for the end part, if it's necessary or not. If the ball now is not moving to the upside, then the ball is moving down. Okay, then this means that the top side, you're gonna increase the value. And here now it says when it's not going up, the top value will be increasing, and if it's not going to left, our left value will be increasing, which means that our ball moving to the right side. Okay, I say plus for the statement, then I do one more statement here. I'm gonna get the code a little bit higher. I'm saying if it's not moving to the right and if it's not going to upside, then our ball will moving downside, but the left side will be minus to the velocity. That means our ball moving to the left side of the section. Okay, now let's go and do some math here, and control now and say if ball bound top, it's less than equal to board bounds dot top. We again the top property of our board bounds. Then we saying here, I'm gonna copy it once again. Left, right, and right statements, and putting inside my border control. But this time I'm gonna delete because this is already declared, and we're getting once again here. And if our ball is hitting the top side of board, then we're turning to downside, which means we have to say declare upside false. Okay, once more, I'm copying it here, I'm pasting it and say board bounds dot bottom, ball bounds dot bottom here, and we say here again we are getting left right statement, left right left right. That means our ball hit the bottom side of our game board, and now we are turning to the upside, which means the true state will be declared for up boolean statement. And let's now control if the ball bounce hitting the left or the right side of our game board. And here we say ball bounce right, it's bigger and equal to ball can bounce that right. Okay, then this time we We are gonna copy this side here. We're pasting it. I'm going to delete once again let up and let up down, and this time our ball, we're gonna move it to left side, which means that we have to declare right boolean statement as false. Okay, let's copy it for the last time and control if we are getting any bugs from our program. This time I'm going to control the left value of our ball bounce, left. If it's what we say here, it's less or equal this time. Left side. Then we say the ball is going to move to right side once again. We have to declare true the right statement, and up down once again we have to get it like boolean randomize and declare it to up value. Okay, let's fix this error. Let's see. Oh, okay, I see here we put the wrong statement for this bottom and for bottom control. I'm gonna say bigger. The ball bounce must be bottom must be bigger than the board bounce of the bottom. Let's press save once again and refresh the page. Okay, now it's fixed. You see. That was the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to get more up to the YouTube algorithm and reach more people. So for the last time, I'm going to change the velocity value. I'm going to make it less. Let's say it's 1. The ball is moving slower. Okay, nice. I'm going to increase the value. I'm going to put it 1.5 and see what's going on here. Yeah, nice. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.